Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to lock your Instagram application on Android without using any app lockers. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So Android these days have a built-in feature for app lock, so you don't need to install an external app locker from Google Play to lock your applications on your phone. Simply head on over to settings and on the search settings box, type app lock. As you can see, I have the app lock feature on my phone. Tap on it, enter your phone's password. After doing so, you'll be able to see all the applications that are currently on your phone. So if you want to lock any of these applications, you'll simply toggle the switch and enable app lock for these applications. Now in this list, simply find Instagram and toggle the switch. As you can see, the app lock for Instagram has been enabled. If you cannot find the app that you're looking for, there's also a search box provided to you on the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and search for Instagram. As you can see, app lock for Instagram has been enabled. So every time I try to open the application, it will now ask me for entering my phone's password. Let's try it out. Open Instagram. If you're seeing a blank screen, it means that it requires me to enter a password to open the Instagram application. As you can see, after I've entered my phone's password, it enables me to access my Instagram application. And this is how you can lock your Instagram app on Android without using any type of app locker. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.